Hi, irrespective of how you found me, I'm really glad to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Before I get into explaining a bit more about the channel, let me introduce myself. Bhavana Rajaram, a student of English literature all the way, subsequently completed my journalism and mass communication as well. Worked with two wonderful organizations. One is a pan India brand, Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited, and later on it was Cognizant Technology Solutions, a global brand. All the way I've been handling roles in the communication space from content writing to content marketing, all the way up to digital marketing and now Google SEO as well. Right? So that's a little bit about me as a person. But what will you find here most importantly? This YouTube channel is hosting short, succinct videos on English communication. It could be commonly misspelled words, similar sounding words, antonyms, synonyms, new words that I've learned recently, words that I've relearned recently or unlearned as well, right? So you could be a person invested in yourself, wanting to improve your English communication, then you're in the right place. Or you could be a working professional wanting to speak with confidence with clients from across the globe, or a student preparing for an upcoming very, very important exam or a competitive exam, right? Then this video channel will give you all the right information to improve your English communication skills. That said, do follow my channel if you like these videos and hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you very much and see you.